Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. I'm obviously being lazy with the intro today. I do not feel like doing my makeup. It's just been one of those days. Today's video, I'm going to be reapplying this wig for the third time on camera. Okay, yes, the third time. I don't have another one, so this one's just gonna have to do. I'm going to be using this EBIN spray right here, and I love this spray, y'all. When I tell y'all, it gave, like, it does not move, like, it's laid down. And I also got this one. So this one right here, it says it's a secure hold, no residue buildup, protects edges, and is sweat proof. This one does all of the other three. The first three I said, but it doesn't say it's sweat proof right here. So this is the extra mega hold, and this is the extra firm hold, and they both have vitamin E and silk protein in them. This is original, this is supreme. They also have a red one that I want to try as well. I will link them down in the description box below. But if you would like to see, you know, what this product does, then please keep watching. for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have tried this one before, let me know. And don't forget to let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.